Hello smart mathematicians, let's do question 11.2.4, which is the last part of our question 11. Actually, this is the last part of this examination pack. Right, in the diagram, PK is a tangent to the circle at K. We have been discussing this information, so this information is still the same. Okay, let's just leave it there, and then if you want to read it, you can read through it. Okay, if it is further given that NL is equal to 16 units, LS is 13 units, and KN is 8 units, determine with reasons the length of LT. Right, so we're given NL. This is NL is 16 units, and then LS, where's LS? This one. This is 13 units, right? And then KN is 8 units. Oh, it's just out there on its own, right? KN is 8 units. Here we have to use our proportionality theorem, but we have this Kn here. We'll see. Or we're given this piece of information. If you check question 11.2.3, we are given this information. We're going to use this one. Right, so using the proportionality theorem, we can see that LT, we want LT, so LT, that's what we're looking for, over LN, or NL. So LT over NL is equal to what? Is equal to LS over ML. If you check ML, then what is the reason? We say line parallel to one side of triangle. Line parallel to one side of triangle. We want LM, but if you check from this relationship here, or from this equation, we can get SM. Then once we get SM, we'll get what? LM, because LM is SM plus LS. Right, let's find SM. So we're given that 3KN. KN is 8. So 3 times 8 is equal to 4 times SM. And then we divide by 4 on both sides. So it becomes 3 times 8 divided by 4 is equal to SM, meaning that SM is equal to what? SM is equal to 4 into 4, 4 into 8, 2. So SM is equal to 6. SM is equal to 6 units. This is 6 units. Therefore, ML is equal to 6 plus 13 is equal to 19 units. Right, now let's substitute what we have into this equation. Right, LT, that's what we're looking for. So LT over NL. NL is 16 units is equal to LS. LS is 13 units over ML. ML is 19 units. And then we say LT is equal to 13 over 19 times 16. And then we get that LT is equal to 10,95 units. Done. Well done. We're done with this pack. We're going to meet when we do the other pack. Thank you very much.